How to get Klook promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Now type in Klook promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you working promo codes for Klook. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Wired. After you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers. $60 coupon code, $15 offer, $50 and below offer, and many more. You can just scroll down and check. Likewise, if you're interested in any of the offer, to grab it, all you have to do is click on this option of copy coupon. Now you can copy this coupon code and head towards the website of Klook, make your bookings, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option of visit Klook. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Klook. Now you can log into your account, make your bookings, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Also, you can try out these offers. Likewise, you can also go through these websites as this website will also provide you tons of promo codes for Klook. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily get Klook promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.